Hi, Marco. Happy birthday. On your birthday, I wish you all the best. I learned from Hannah na you want to enter the military and you know what? Saludo ako sa'yo because that is a very, very noble profession. And I hope you will be very successful in the military up to the 5-star general. Kala mo Sige. On your birthday, I wish that the Lord crown all your efforts with success. And I know that there is something going on with you and Hannah. And I hope that you will love my baby girl. She's my baby girl. Kaya I hope na kayong dalawa on your birthday, even though you are far apart, good wishes para sa inyong dalawa, magkalayo man, magkalapit din. And gusto ko maging successful kayo, especially you. And I want to share with you na gusto ko rin magkaanak ng military. And siguro in some other way, magkakatotoo din na magkakaanak ako ng military. I hope! So, on your birthday, happy birthday, and more years and more success to come. Happy birthday!